Hi, it's Kay. I just thought I'd do a quick review on this jewellery cleaner because I am so impressed with it. It's amazing. So I got it off of Amazon and I will put a link below obviously, but it's that one. But yeah, really good. Let me just show you how it does it. Brilliant. Right, so I'm just running some water, make sure it's nice and hot. And all I'm going to do is put it up a little bit. Don't need a lot of water in it. Turn it off, give it a little squeeze of anti-bac, a little squeeze of fairy, and then all you do is tip your jewellery in. And this is like a silver amber, and I lost this for ages and I didn't have a clue where I'd put it. So anyway, I've come across it the other day, so I've just shoved it in there, put the lid on, press the little button and let it vibrate itself. Goes on for about 2 or 3 minutes. So I will show you what it looks like when it comes out, because it was rotten. That's what I should show you really. Before it does its thing. I just want to show you like how dirty this is. It's just rotten. It's all like, it's got a lot of tarnishing on it. So all I'm going to do is chuck it all in here. All together. Spread it out a little bit. Put the lid on. And press the button. And then I'm going to come back in about 2 or 3 minutes and see how it turns out. So I'm going to take this out now and just see how it's got on. The suction's gone on it now. I've done it. It's come out brilliant. Look how shiny the amber is now and the silver. Really pleased with that. So I'm just going to give it a little polish up. You have to excuse me, I can't find the tripod. I don't know what I've done with it. So then all you do is just empty it, dry it out so it don't go mouldy, and then put it away. So I'm just going to clean all of this now. Let you see how it's come out. There's still a little bit on it, but I think that might shine off. Oh, it's got little suction pads on the bottom. As you can see. So I'm just going to polish them up and I will come back to you. So this is it now. I think it's come up really well, considering how dirty it was. It seems to have gone quite shiny. I don't know if you can really get a feel. Excuse my nails, but the nail bar is not open. I am no good at doing them myself. My granddaughter said she'd do them for me, but obviously I can't go down there either, so yeah, really chuffed with that. That's better, it's focused more now. It's come out really well. Really happy about them.